Echternach town, an impressive architecture. With its 5.600 inhabitants, this medieval town shows many monumental works like the Roman villa 1st until 5th century, the ancient Peter and Paul parish church, with its Merovingian, Gothic and Romanesque elements, built on a Roman castellum. There are furthermore the Roman Basilica 11th century rebuilt after World War II, the 8th century crypt, the ancient town walls with its towers, the abbay, the Orangerie, the Rococo Pavilion and the ancient patrician houses on the market square 18th century. Echternach, cultural city par excellence. In the year 2008, Echternach had been rewarded by the European Commission as European Destination of Excellence. In 2010, the famous dancing procession that always takes place on Whit Tuesday became part of UNESCO's Intangible World Cultural Heritage. The International Festival of Echternach is organizing every year high-quality classic concerts, a program which is completed by a broad range of cultural activities by the Trifolion, Center for Culture, Tourism and Congress. The historical and cultural center of the Mullerthal region, Luxembourg's Little Switzerland as well as the oldest city of Luxembourg has retained its medieval ambience, labyrinthine streets, remains and towers of the ancient city wall and a marketplace with a Gothic townhouse take the visitor back in time. Echternach, an abbey town with character, is one of Europe's earliest centers of culture and Christianization. Saint Willibrord from Northumberland founded a Benedictine abbey here in 698 which, in the 19th and 11th century, became an artistically refined writing school. The museum of the abbey located in the cellars of the ancient abbey documents the work of the monks. The lake, a leisure area for everyone. You can walk around the lake or paddle on it, experience the adventure island with its outdoor park and indoor climbing wall, visit the nature house. Huge events like the E-Lake Party attract thousands of people during the summer. A variety of leisure and sportive cycle routes. Echternach is also an interesting destination for hikers of any level with its quiet cycling routes along the river shore, its sportive mountain bike trails and its bike park situated at the lake. Register Echternach Center, this hiking path combines old town flair. Stroll combines historical charm with modern shops in an idyllic location. The shopping street and pedestrian zone Hallergasse in the center of Echternach is home to numerous shops and boutiques. The shops are open all day on Saturday and several are also open on Sunday afternoons. Equally interesting is the Cross of Justice on the marketplace, which represents the sovereignty of the abbots over the city bourgeoisie. In 1774, the inhabitants of Echternach wanted to tear down this medieval monument and replace it by a fountain. But only 20 years later, it was destroyed by the French revolutionary troops. Rebuilt in 1938, it was destroyed during World War II in 1944. In 1982, it was erected again according to 18th century plans.